Hello everyone, this video is the complete demonstration of our project Easiee, which is a skill or job recommender application built under the initiative Naalaiya Thiran. First, let me take you through the coding part quickly. Here in this project, we have used three APIs. One is JobSearchAPI from read.co, which is basically for searching and suggesting jobs. Next one is Udemy API for searching and suggesting courses. And third one is IBM Cloud Object Storage API for storing files like resume and profile pictures of the user. So that's my Python file which I scroll through. And here comes my static files which include CSS, images and JS. And the templates folder which includes each and every page of our website. Yeah. And here comes the Docker file for generating a Docker image. And finally a requirements.txt file which will be used in Docker file. Okay, let me quickly run the project. Yeah, so this is the landing page of our website Easiee. First, let me explore the website as a job seeker. Since I'm a new user, I have to create an account. I'll just sign up. Yeah, account has been created successfully. Login to continue. Yeah, let's just log in with the credentials. Okay, since I'm a new user, I have to set up my profile for the first time. I have to fill all these details so that it can be easily reused when applying for jobs. Okay, I need to upload a profile picture and fill out few personal details. And then comes educational details. I'll just fill it out quickly. And then work experience. If I'm a fresher, I can just leave it empty. And I have to upload a resume. And here I can add as many as skills with which jobs will be recommended, as well as courses will be recommended. And here few social media handles. Okay, our profile has been set and all the details are displayed in the profile page. And the resume and profile pictures are stored via IBM Cloud Object Storage API. And all these details can be updated at any time later. I'll just update my profile picture, resume and few details to check really if the changes are reflecting. Okay. Yeah, the changes are reflected. See, the skills have been updated, profile picture as well as resume has been updated. Okay.
And this is a dashboard where user can search for any job role or scroll down to see job recommended with their skill set. Now let me search for a job role Frontend developer, and all the jobs with this particular keyword will be fetched and displayed from JobSearchAPI. For more details, you click on View Details, in which you get a detailed job description. Further on, clicking Apply Now, you will be redirected to apply for the role. Okay, let me get back to the dashboard. Recruiters can also post jobs in this website. Let me show you that. For that, first I will log in as a recruiter. I will head to Recruiter Login. Since I am a new user, I have to register my company. Let me sign up quickly. Account created. Account created successfully. So I will just log in with the same credential. So I have to set up my company profile since I am a new user. So I will upload my company logo. So my company profile is created and we can view our company.
I can update my profile as well. As a recruiter, I can post jobs, and I will post a job for the role Associate Customer Support by giving the following details. After posting, I can check for the received applicants. Currently, there are no applicants received. So let me log into the Jobseeker Login and apply for this role. And here it is. By clicking View Details, we can view the detailed description of the job, and thereby clicking Apply Now, we can apply for the role. And we can view the applications we applied before. It gets updated in the recruiter side, and he can view the received applications and thereby shortlist them according to their need. That's all for recruiter side, so I log out. We have one more feature on the job seeker side, that is courses. It will help the job seeker to upgrade himself. This is built by UdemyAPI and it is ready for access. We also integrated a chatbot to help new users to understand and use our website efficiently. We have used IBM DB2 for database, and here are the list of tables used in our project. Let me show you all the resources used in our IBM Cloud for successful completion of the project. Once our project is completed, we generate a Docker image out of it and pushed it into a Docker Hub as a public repository, and there we created a container registry to store the image in private repository, and we finally created a Kubernetes cluster and deployed our project. This is the link and it is perfectly working. That's all about the project. Thank you.